The dashboard analogy. Okay, let's get this show on the road. Here we go. What's your big dream? Right now, today. What is it that you want to do more than anything else? A better job, a new car, a month-long vacation. Or maybe you want something bigger, more life-changing, like an exciting new career in the arts and entertainment world. Maybe you want to start a business. Or maybe write a novel. Or make a movie. Okay, you probably want more money too. Well, take a moment to think about exactly what you want to achieve by the end of this year, or within the next few months, or sooner if you want. It's all up to you. Now, imagine your dream goal is an actual place, and you seriously need to get to that place from here, from where you are now. How are you ever going to get there? Wishing and hoping is really not going to cut it. No, you need transportation. You need wheels, because you're in a hurry, right? And using your own 2 legs is just going to take too long. Of course, you need a vehicle in which you can confidently expect to travel and fast, and most assuredly arrive at your destination. For this reason, your journey towards your dream is best symbolized by a car, and probably a swanky sports car at that. The car represents your MFP, your motivation, your focus, and your perseverance. Got that? Here's your dream catcher. Now, if you don't like this car, pick another one. It's your vehicle after all. You can travel in whatever you want. Now, see yourself behind the wheel. Your dream is up ahead, but you can't quite see it yet because it's in the distance, over the horizon. But you know it's there because you've always wanted to go there, to be there in that spot, enjoying the feeling of knowing what it's like to be the person who has attained your heart's desire. Now, are you ready for the journey? Are you properly prepared? Let's take a look at your Dreamcatcher dashboard. Instead of a fuel gauge, a speedometer, and a rev counter, you have just 3 dials. Your personal dashboard measures in real time the fitness of your body, mind, and spirit. On your journey, you'll be watching these gauges to make sure your vehicle is in tip-top shape as you travel. Your body needs to be in good working order for the journey ahead. You've got to be healthy and agile. Even if you don't feel too great at the present time, you'll need to improve that, because your body fitness will motivate you and keep you strong enough to keep going. Your mind too needs to be healthy, because that will keep you focused and sharp enough to remain mentally dexterous and able to logically evaluate where you are and how best to respond to new situations or any challenges. Finally, your spirit must be strong so you have faith in the outcome and are able to use a success mindset to persevere when the going gets tough. Body, mind, spirit, in tune so I can win it. Say it again. Body, mind, and spirit in tune so I can win it. A success mantra, and easy to remember, right? Okay, this is what you need to succeed. Body, mind, and spirit working in balance. As you travel toward your goal, you'll need to monitor these 3 gauges as you move closer to your dream. Because the better your health, the fitter your mind, and the stronger your spirit or belief system, the more capable you'll be of successfully completing the journey to your dream. Okay, now you understand the dashboard analogy, we can move on and start the trip of a lifetime. Y'all ready for this?